We are at a hotel in Atlanta right now, and we're just about ready to check out. I just got to finish getting ready. Sorry if I'm talking quiet too. We're like right next to multiple other people, and you can hear everything in here. And if you follow us on Instagram, you probably saw our stories, and we took some questions on there, and I answered them through video instead of text because we were in the car and I was bored. And a lot of you guys asked me about my hair and how I do it and stuff, so we just thought we would shoot a little video kind of giving you a rundown on what I use certain products for. This is actually all I brought with me, just our matte paste, conditioning cream, and the face wash that we're about to release. But first thing that I would do when I get out of the shower is... Oh. First thing that I would do is just take... The amount that you use is really going to depend on what you're using it for. This one's almost empty. Ooh, that was probably even too much. But I'm going to put some in my beard. And then also put some on my face. These are for real multi-purpose. They were designed to be multi-purpose. They weren't made to only be used in a beard or on a face or on hands or whatever. If you get flaky skin on your face, this will help you. Yeah, I did use too much, but it's okay. It'll soak in pretty quickly. A lot of people ask how long my hair is, and I know the comments are going to say that, but that's how long my hair is. If you can see. It's like basically right between my eyes. So my hair is a little damp, but not too much. And I'm using our matte paste, which is pretty much all I use now. And I'm just going to take like that much. Even though it scoops kind of hard, it actually breaks down pretty easily.
Show the camera closer.
I mean, I just had to rub my hands together a few times, and it's there. So, yeah. I'm just going to apply it to damp hair. Make sure to coat it well. That's good. I know a lot of you guys aren't into blow drying, but I am these days, and literally all I'm going to use is this cheap brush that's probably from Walmart that I paid a few dollars for. Anyway, yeah, the matte paste, it's kind of going to like, you're going to feel it kind of set in your hair as soon as you put it in, but obviously it doesn't stop you from moving it around. But yeah, I'm actually going to blow it on hot and high. Some people might tell you not to do that, but whatever. I'm just going to take the brush and the hot air from this and just push my hair where I want it, basically. You also don't have to use a brush. So like on the side, I'll blow it down and then over. And the front. And just kind of take, you can use your hands, fingers, or a brush, and just, you're literally just kind of taking your brush or your hands and pushing your hair where you want it with the hot air to kind of keep it there, which I'm not going to go into a blow dry tutorial, but you guys are asking what I do. Yeah, I mean, that's it for the first part. It took me like
2 minutes.
Less than 2 minutes, probably. And like, honestly, if you like loose styles, you can just leave like this. You don't have to put another layer on top. And if you enjoy the way that this looks and feels, by all means, just go with it. I mean, normally, and when you've seen me on those stories, that's not as much as it looks. It's like that much. But like I said, it's pretty thick to scoop, but it still breakdowns like instantaneously. And yeah, I would just go back in, definitely put a little on the side because I didn't really focus on that much, but just go back in and kind of rake it through. You can take the brush or the comb or whatever you're using and comb it through again, and it'll tighten it up a little. But with the matte paste, ours anyway, I'm kind of a fan of just putting the second scoop in and just combing it with my fingers because it has a more textured, kind of loose look, and that's what I just like to have these days. But you know, if you want, you can just go through it again and comb it like you would any other product. But you know, I'm still just gonna wear it combed with my fingers because, like I said, that's what I like, and that's it. But you know, this is what I do every day when I style my hair. I literally just use these two products, and I don't even put the conditioning cream on my face every day, to be honest. But yeah, that's how I use the matte paste. And in the stories that you guys asked about on Instagram that we posted, that's the exact same way that I did it in those stories. But yeah, that's it. That was the best that we could do in this little hotel room in like the 10 minutes that we have till checkout. So like I said, let us know if you have any questions. Please like and subscribe. Let us know if you want to see more tutorials or whatever.